head coach Hugo Broos has announced his final 23-man squad to face Zimbabwe and also Rwanda in the FIFA World Cup qualifiers 2026. The last group games of Group C will be played on the 10th and also the 14th of October. Here are the players that Hugo Broos has called for his final squad. Ronan Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Malibonga Khoza, Khuliso Mudau, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Thabang Matuludi, Samkelo Kabini, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Siphephole Sithole, Teboho Mokoena, Bathusi Obas, Talente Mbatha, Thapelo Morena, Oswin Apolis, Sipho Mbuli, Ikrim Reyners, Lyle Foster, Tshepang Moremi, Mohau Nkotha, and Relebohile Mofokeng. Those are all the players that Hugo Broos has called. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these players? And after yesterday's game between Kaizer Chiefs and Amazulu, where Khanyisa Mayo made the headlines by scoring a goal that was already goal-bound when he was already coming from an offside position, and that goal being ruled out and costing his team 2 points. Here is what his father, Patrick Mayo, said. I was very excited when he told me Chiefs were calling, but I also told him, this is where pressure doubles. At Chiefs, you can never relax. Every training session, every match, you must improve yourself. That's why he needs to remain grounded. I told him he needs to be humble, work very hard, because pressure at Chiefs is always there. So yeah, after hearing those words from Patrick Mayo, maybe to explain why Khanyisa Mayo did what he did, maybe it's pressure. Pressure is getting to him and he wants to deliver. That's why he made that costly mistake. The pressure becomes too much at Kaizer Chiefs, especially when you're a striker and you can't score goals. Because Kaizer Chiefs have been solid this season in defense. The problem is that they are not scoring enough. So maybe already Khanyisa Mayo is already under pressure. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Khanyisa Mayo's blunder that happened yesterday? Do you think that he will move on and do better next time? Or do you think that this will cause more pressure to him in the future? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.